Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how your customer places an order through your website using the Genius website integration. Please feel free to visit this website at any time, www.geniustraining.co.uk, and please feel free to place your own orders and just go through the system and try it out. So if we click on events, this shows us a list of our training events, and this is how Genius will look when integrated with your website. So I've got the course, the dates, and here we can see if refreshments, parking and lunch are available at the venue, how many places are available, the price. So let's click details. This shows us more details about the event and allows us to book it. On the right we've got a Google map. It is a real map, so we've got satellite view and we can zoom in to see the details of the venue. We can also share this event on social media using our social media links. We can also assign a follow-on course to this course as well, which would be the next course for your customer. And we can link products to this event as well, so we can cross-sell. So just looking down, we've got the event details, we've got the event location, and some more detailed information there. We've got essential information, just some additional information for your customers to read about the event, and trainer profile, which is information about yourself and contact details. So all we need to do, book the event, which adds it to our basket. We can click yes to go to the basket, and as you can see, I'm already logged in, so all of my details are there. If you weren't already logged in, you would just need to fill your personal details. We can enter a discount code. Just need to check everything is correct. So we could change the quantity if we wanted to. That would retotal the basket. Everything's fine, so just click go to checkout. Now all we need to do is choose the payment method, click the menu, so we can have several payment options here for the customer. So we do need to agree to terms and conditions, so we can check the box. We can also click the link and that will display your terms and conditions and also your privacy policy as well, so your customers can read that. Then all we need to do, click to complete the order. That's it, the order is placed. We can add a purchase order number here, we can add the learners' names as well. We can also download joining instructions. So just click on that, we can see all of the joining instructions, and as soon as your customer clicks the joining instructions, that notifies you within Genius that they've seen them. And Genius is fully integrated with Google SatNav, so we just type in our postcode and Google Maps will tell us the quickest route. It gives us a couple of options, but it highlights the quickest route. So if you're using a mobile phone, this will give you turn-by-turn directions. It's all integrated with the joining instructions.